Welcome to day 2. Today's coping companion is all about rest. Now, I'm not talking about the kind that requires you to take a day off or even a hotel stay. I'm talking about micro moments of rest or intentional breathing. The holidays can feel like a marathon, and when you're already navigating a life transition, it is very easy for you to lose energy. Sometimes you just need a reset button, and your breath is the quickest, fastest one that you have. So here's a practice for you. Pause whatever you're doing. Inhale. Relax your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Maybe stretch your neck. Then exhale. Do this 2 or 3 times. Feel free to add counting to it. So when you inhale, count to 4. Hold it for 2. Then exhale slowly, counting to 6. You'd be amazed at how much your body resets in that small amount of time. Because sometimes the only thing standing between emotional overwhelm and a moment of peace is a breath you haven't taken yet. So today, take a moment. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your heart beat on purpose. You don't always need a break from life. Sometimes you just need a breath within it. So today's coping companion, just breathe intentionally.